A group of climate change organisations have
emissions of greenhouse gases.
Climate change is now happening.
Indonesia says it's
10 million tons of.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
Ito ang dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng mga bagyong gaya ng Super Typhoon Yolanda at Bagyong Ondoy.
Phenomenon is an environmental impact caused by irresponsibility economic activity. So, green financing is a solution to respond to this challenge.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce our team. We are from the student research team of the Faculty of Economic and Business State University of Surabaya.
The structure of the writing team, namely Devi Ayunus Iyas, Muhammad Aflaibal Ramadan, Sofi Putri Isnani, Eva Zunia Khairia, and Fira Nur Afinu.
On this occasion, I will present our team research paper entitled Implementation Green Financing Comparative Study Local Bank and International Bank.
As we know, currently environmental balance has become a victim of human greed. Deforestation is increasingly rampant for expansive business by elite people. The existence of rampant deforestation can cause increasingly extreme climate change and invite other natural disasters. Deforestation has occurred in many countries around the world, including Indonesia. Seeing the rampant irresponsibility economic activity, all countries in the world are committed to implementing green financing policy.
So, what is green financing? Green financing is an environmentally friendly investment study activity with the aim of realizing sustainable economic development. The focus of green financing activities is to provide financing for environmentally friendly development that pay attention to the balance between economic, social, and environment. Based on this fact, green energy transition to reduce carbon emission in bank promotes. In the banking context, green finance play an important role in the maintaining environmental sustainability by providing financing standard to industry or company. This research aims to analyze the implementation of green financing and financial performance or return of assets in local and international bank in 2019 until 2023 to evaluate financing efficiency and support from the other sector in developing green financing with appropriate regulation.
Based on previous research, green financing has been widely researched and has resulted in the conclusion that ROE is the standard for measuring banking financial performance. The literature review section will discuss important components with review of research that previously been conducted. The important components include the following. First, ROE is a ratio used a measure of the efficiency of the circulation of money that a company used to purchase assets that become profitable. According by Etika Karyani and Fanny Vinanda, research green banking and performance, the role of foreign and public ownership, determine that green banking practice have a determinal impact on bank profitability, but they have a beneficial impact on bank value. The report data for this study was gathered from a variety of institutions that were involved in the green banking pilot project. And the Green Investment Index between 2020 and 2018, consequently the negative impact of green banking on profitability is exacerbated by public ownership, while the positive impact of green banking on firm value is diminished by foreign ownership. And the second point, CAR, Capital Adequacy Ratio. capital adequacy ratio to estimate the bank ability to procure minimum capital from total weighted assets as a certain ratio. According by Arshad 2019, provide evidence that this phenomenon has a notable and beneficial effect on the profitability of banking institutions. Thus, this study positive that CAR has a favorable and substantial influence on ROA. NPL. NPL is ratio to measure the comparison between total non-performing loan and total credit given to debtor. According by Camisa et al. 2020, say banking with a high non-performing loan ratio will experience increased expense, including depreciation costs for productive asset and other costs. So when the NPL ratio is higher, it has a negative impact on bank performance. And the next point is LDR. LDR is a ratio measure the bank ability to pay its debt and repay its depositor and fulfill credit requests submit. According by Rembet et al. 2020, say the effect of LDR or loan deposit ratio on ROA shows that LDR has no significant effect on ROA. Furthermore, in research by Arshad 2019, this states that LDR has a positive and significant effect on ROA. And the last point is BOPO. BOPO is ratio used for measure the level of efficiency and bank ability to run the operation. According to Insan Aji and Gendro Wiono, 2022, state that BOPO has a negative effect on ROA. This research method is a quantitative method with the dependent variable, namely bank profitability or ROA. Meanwhile, the independent variable are capital adequacy ratio or CAR. And the next, operational expense on operating income or BOPO. Next, non-performing loans or NPL. And the last variable is loan to deposit ratio or LDR. We can see in figure 3.1 the conceptual framework of ROA as a dependent variable will be influenced by the variable CAR, BOPO, NPL, and LDR as an independent variable. Okay, in here we will discuss result of the research. First, research from local banking. From local banking, CAR has a positive and insignificant effect on profitability or ROA. NPL has a negative and insignificant effect on profitability or ROA. BOPO has a positive and insignificant effect on profitability or ROA. Meanwhile, LDR has an effect positive and significant to profit to Meanwhile, LDR has an effect positive and significant to profitability or ROA. Whereas in international banking, CAR has a positive and significant effect on profitability or ROA, NPL has a negative and significant effect on profitability or ROA, BOPO has a negative significant effect on profitability or ROA, and the last, LDR has a negative effect and not significant to profitability or ROA.
Based on the result of the research and discussion that have been present, it can be concluded that in local banking, LDR has a positive and significant effect on ROA. Meanwhile, the CAR and BOPO variable in local banking have a positive but insignificant effect, and the NPL variable has a negative and insignificant effect on ROA in local banking.
From the result, local banking must maintain and correct the LDR variable to increase profitability in local banking. Then, the CAR and PL variable in international banking have a positive and significant effect on ROE in international banking. Meanwhile, the BOPO and LDR variable have a positive but insignificant effect on ROE in international banking. From the result, international banking must create a strategy to maintain and correct, increase the financial effective and profitability of international banking. The increase and decrease in local and international banking can influence the decision to implementation environmentally friendly financing in local and international banking.
Maybe a few video presentation from our group, and thank you for your attention.